Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best hair mask is probably one of the most essential products for maintaining healthy and vibrant hair. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of sulfate-free hair masks, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your hair type. We'll cover everything from hydration and repair to how these masks can transform your hair, leaving it feeling soft, manageable, and full of life. So, let's get started. Number 5. Marc Hair Mask, repairs, strengthens and maintains bonds. Are you tired of dry and damaged hair? This hair mask is designed to be a professional treatment. It helps repair and strengthen your hair, leaving it looking and feeling healthier. This mask works to repair and strengthen the bonds within your hair. It's formulated to give your hair the care it deserves, making it more resilient to damage. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways. This hair mask helps to smooth your hair, giving it a sleek and polished look. It's the perfect solution for a more manageable style. Reduce breakage and promote healthier hair growth. This mask helps to fortify your hair, making it less prone to splitting and damage. Use it regularly for best results. This is a professional-grade treatment for dry and damaged hair. It's designed to provide deep conditioning and repair, restoring your hair's natural beauty. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This mask is your go-to if you're battling dry, damaged hair. It's designed to repair and strengthen, eliminating frizz and reducing breakage. If you're looking for a professional treatment to revive your locks, this is the one for you. What people say. The rich, creamy formula detangles my hair easily and leaves it feeling deeply nourished. My curls felt softer, looked shinier, and had that bounce I hadn't seen in ages. My hair is so soft and manageable. Definitely less frizzy and living in humid SFLO that is hard to accomplish. My hair is more shiny. Number 4. ArtNaturals Argan Hair Mask Conditioner. This hair mask is a powerful natural moisturizer. It is designed to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. It can repair damage caused by heat and sun. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or color-treated, this mask is perfect for you. It is formulated to work with any hair type, providing deep hydration and nourishment. Unlike many styling masks, this one is packed with natural ingredients. It nourishes the scalp and hair strands, repairing damage and enriching your hair from root to tip. This hydrating mask unlocks the natural beauty and shine of your hair. It helps to remove excess oils and dirt, leaving your hair feeling incredibly smooth and revitalized. This product is made with your health and the environment in mind. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, non-GMO, cruelty-free, vegan, and hypoallergenic. What we like. This mask is perfect for all hair types, thanks to its organic ingredients like jojoba oil and aloe vera. It deeply conditions and repairs dry, damaged hair. If you have color-treated hair or are looking for a natural solution, it's a great choice. What people say. My hair felt softer and less dried out after the very first time that I used it. The mask left my hair easy to comb through and noticeably healthier looking, even after blow drying and flat ironing my bangs. The product has a nice consistency. It doesn't slip through the fingers like many hair conditioning treatments, so I don't end up dropping a bunch of it in the shower. Number 3. Alfaparf Milano Moisture Nutritive Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This mask is designed to deeply nourish and hydrate. It will bring your hair back to life. Worried about your color-treated hair? This mask is safe and gentle. It helps to maintain your color while providing essential moisture. This mask is formulated without sulfates, parabens, and paraffin. It is a healthier choice for your hair. You can feel good about what you're using. Experience professional salon quality at home. This mask delivers amazing results. Your hair will thank you for it. Give your hair the hydration it craves. This mask provides intense moisture. It leaves your hair soft, manageable, and full of life. What we like. This mask offers professional salon quality care, safe for color-treated hair. It nourishes and revitalizes dry hair. If you want a luxurious treatment that protects your color and leaves your hair feeling amazing, you should consider this. What people say. It deeply hydrates and nourishes, making hair easy to comb and reducing breakage. Makes hair really easy to comb out after shampoo and helps with frizz. Love this mask. I have dry blonde hair and this has it feeling like I left the salon after each wash. Number 2. Pure Nature Luxe Spa Argan Oil Hair Mask. This argan oil hair mask is enriched with botanical extracts. It will leave your locks silky and shiny. For those who value their appearance, this mask is a smart choice. This hair mask is engineered for deep hydration with moisture-locking technology. It forms a protective coating from root to tip. This deep conditioning hair mask is the split-end treatment you need. Say goodbye to stressed-out locks and upgrade to this hydrating argan oil mask. It can help guard against damage from blow-drying and hair irons. Protect your hair with this essential treatment. This hair treatment mask is formulated with salon experts. It's trusted by professionals and enriched with botanical extracts. Get ready to turn heads with this intense hydrating mask. This premium hair mask contains 0 sulfates and is paraben-free. It was never tested on animals. If you're looking for a gentle treatment that won't strip color, this hair mask is the smarter choice. What we like. This mask provides deep hydration and protects against heat damage. It's also sulfate-free, making it gentle on your hair. If you like using heat styling tools or have dry, frizzy hair, it will be your new best friend. What people say. After leaving it on for a few minutes, my hair felt lighter, smoother, and refreshed. My scalp tingled, and there was no greasy feeling afterward, just soft, shiny hair. It controlled oil buildup without drying out my ends. It leaves my hair feeling super soft, hydrated, and less frizzy, and I love that it helps with my itchy scalp and dandruff. My hair felt smoother and more manageable already. Once dried, my hair truly felt transformed. It was visibly shinier, smoother, and remarkably softer. What really impressed me was how the mask seemed to target my hair's weakened areas, leaving them noticeably fortified and less prone to breakage. Number 1. OUAI Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask. This rich mask acts like a deep conditioner. It will leave your hair feeling smoother, softer, and stronger from the first use. It also helps heal split ends and make strands more resistant to future damage. This mask is formulated with shea butter, which hydrates, softens, and conditions dry processed hair. It also contains hydrolyzed keratin to prevent breakage and reduce frizz. Panthenol is added to restore shine and improve overall strength. OUAI is about being better in real life. It encourages honest conversations and embracing imperfections. It's about letting go of unrealistic expectations. All OUAI products are carefully crafted to cut styling time and nourish your hair health. The good stuff is put in, and the bad stuff is left out, without sacrificing quality. OUAI offers luxury products at affordable prices that are user-friendly. After applying this moisturizing hair mask to damp hair, chill out for 5 minutes, then rinse with cool water to lock in moisture and shine. What we like. This mask is designed to increase shine and repair strands, perfect for fine to medium hair. It's formulated with shea butter and keratin for hydration and strength. If you are looking for a mask that will leave your hair feeling smoother, softer, and stronger, you should try this. What people say. After just one use, my hair felt incredibly soft, nourished, and manageable. It smooths frizz, adds shine, and leaves my hair looking healthier overall. My hair already has body, shine, bounce and hydration back. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.